I see a change, it's coming to our lives. It's not the same as it used to be, and it's not too late to realize our mistakes. We're just not right for each other. Love has slipped away, left us only friends. We almost seem like strangers. All that's left between us are the memories we share, the times we thought we cared for each other. There's nothing left to do but go our separate ways and pick up all the pieces left behind us. Then maybe someday, somewhere along the way, another love will find us. Someday when she's older, maybe she will understand why her mom and dad are not together. And the tears that she will cry when I have to say goodbye is tearing my heart full of rivers. There's nothing left to do but go our separate ways and pick up all the pieces left behind us. And maybe someday, somewhere along the way, another love